I used to curse the streets, scorn a dirty building, worn and crumbling, tumbling down. But when she's gone, I'm gonna miss this dear old town. If I had to paint a color picture off of all the shades I'd need, would be gray and brown. She's dull and rough, but you know I love this dear old town. Those streets of gold, they're cobbled cold and older than your great-grandmother. I'm telling you, brother, there's a certain old world charm in her ancient arms. She's a tough old girl. Better watch out, pal. Now they're pushing her around and knocking most of her down. I heave a sigh at every dying sound. Isn't progress sad? She wasn't really so bad, that dear old town. Those streets of gold, they're cobbled cold and older than your great-grandmother. I'm telling you, brother, there's a certain old world charm in her ancient arms. She's a tough old girl. Better watch out, pal. Now they're pushing her around and knocking most of her down. I hear the sigh at every dying sound. Isn't progress sad? She wasn't really so bad, that dear old town. Didn't progress sad. She wasn't really so bad, that